Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can join Viber community. So let's just get started guys. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so just follow me guys. So there are a lot of, let's say, communities in Viber, so we'll learn how you can join it. So firstly, just go to your Viber, and then on the bottom you'll be having option which says explore. Just go over there and let it load guys. It might take some time sometimes, like this. And then over here you'll be having a lot of, let's say, communities. So you want to, let's say, join one of them. So what you need to do is just go over here, just press one of them. Let's say I'm just gonna go with let's say this one, like this, and it will redirect me for some time. And over here you'll be having option which says get started. So just press over here, and then you are subscribed, you have joined the Viber community guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.